Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be opening a XY Phantom Forces booster pack, a Generations booster pack, and a Evolutions pack, and this tin here. So yeah, let's get into it. We're going to open the Evolutions pack first. Can I get into it? Great start. We have Magnemite, a Water Energy, a Growlithe, a Machop, a Voltorb, an Electrobuzz, an Arcanine, a Nidorino, a Evolution Spray, Brock's Grit, and Code. Generations pack. Oh. Ghastly, Meowth, Slowpoke, Tangela, Maintenance. Nice little shiny one here. I'm not very good at telling. Yeah, so that is our shiny one. Then a Girachi, no little shiny one. Nothing uncommon. Pinsir, Fletchling, yeah. Another Maintenance and a Metapod. Now let's go for the XY. A Litwick, a Dedenne, an Alomolo, a Skarmory, Bunnelby, oh, a nice little shiny Yanma. I think this is called a Holo, I don't know. A Goodra, a Swadloon, a Hand Scoop, Target Whistle. So yeah, that's all done. Or did I show the cut? No, I don't know. Just put them over there. Now, let's get into this. Oh, I hate getting into these. Choose a pen. There we go. Oh. Let's get into this. Online deck, yeah, a bunch of rubbish. So we have, oh yeah, when I bought these and I was on my way back from the shop, I was trying to work it. Oops, that didn't work out very well, hang on. That's my arm, stand, oh no. Okay, I was trying to work out how to say that. I don't know, Magnina, yeah. Oh my god, not again. Yeah, so let me open up my sleeves. I have to actually look sleeve to sleeve. Wait, sleeve to sleeve. Sleeves don't need sleeving. Okay, here we go. Just getting this out. There we go. Where did I put my sleeve? It's over here. Okay. Sleeve that person up. We got a Steam Siege, another Steam Siege, Ancient Origins pack, and a Primal Clash. Move all this rubbish out the way. Gonna leave the Ancient Origins to last. We'll just do 2015. Let's do Steam Siege. Fletchling, Hoppip, Sneasel, Mantine, Mankey. Oh, that's my one. Claw, Fossil, Anorith, Drudgeon, Drifblim, something Spirit Link, D-Watt. Another Steam Siege here. Tangela, Krogunk, Mareep, Litwick, Hoppip, Seedot, shiny Seedot, oh sorry, I can't say. Pro Bopas, Zevolus, Grady Dice, Z-Watt again. Wait, no, D-Watt again. Oh, Primal Clash. Oh, we got this one. There's code. Tentacle, Torchic, Hippopotamus, Surskit, Barboach. Oh, this one looks nice. Electric. I like that gold bit. Tell me if that's rare. I like how these are like set out. Grass. Scorched Earth. Wait, yeah, Scorched Earth. Mr. Mime. That's one of my favourite ones as well. And another one of them. Time for the Ancient Origins. I'm not sure if this is old. It sounds old because it's called Ancient. So let's try and open this. Oh, I hate opening Pokemon packs. I like doing it, but I hate. So we got a Malama, a Baltoy, an unknown, Magikarp, Quagsire, Energy Recycler, shiny one, a Golurk, a Sableye, a Matang, another Energy Recycler, and then the code. And then I think that's it. Let's get rid of all this rubbish. Just make sure. So yeah. We didn't get that many good cards, at least I don't think. We just got this. Yeah, if you missed any of the codes, I'll be getting all of them out now. There's any over here. Oh, we've got a Generations pack there. Oh, yep, there's one here. And one here. Right, so for the Evolutions pack, Steam Siege pack, Ancient Origins pack, Steam Siege pack, Battle Heart Tin, Primal Clash, Phantom Forces. That's it. I also have some over here. I have about 6 over here. Steam Siege, Crimson Invasion, Burning Shadows, Ultra Prism, Prism Tin, Crimson Invasion, Primal Clash, Evolutions. That's the deck. Steam Siege, Crimson Invasion. I think we'll go back to the start. Yeah. Wait, no, we haven't. Ultra Prism. Yeah, that's about it. Oops, get that back later. All my clothes, I'll throw them away now. So yeah, that's everything we got there. I will be doing some gameplay videos on this channel. So yeah. Whoops. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.